We're here in Walker, Minnesota on the south side of Leech Lake. We're doing a heating system for a client that is looking for both comfort and efficiency. The system that we came up with is a hybrid geothermal propane gas system. It's going to provide the greatest comfort and efficiency unparalleled by any other system. So there'd be a few scenarios where the propane is going to come in and take over for the geo. One of them would be outdoor air temperature, where the geo can't maintain the building temperature. The second would be runtime. So if the geothermal is trying to reach a set point on the thermostat and it's ran for a certain amount of time, and we can pre-select that amount of time, 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes, that would default then to the gas furnace or boiler. And then also the load management from the power company. So if the power company says, okay, we're having peak demand, we're going to cut off the electricity for the geothermal, the control system recognizes that and then would default the call for heat to the gas boiler and or gas furnace. You're going to need a system that's able to be robust and maintain the building temperature to the desired set point of the consumer. So that's where the propane comes in and works well with the geothermal.